This is my cousin, so say nice things about her.
Let's make up the Spider-Man.
Oh, do we do the Spider-Man or what? Or we do like, I wanna...
Okay.
What do you like, Spider-Man or... We don't have black.
Yeah,
Let's do the first part.
blush.
No! We're gonna do like this, right? Let's go transition.
So, but
Sa cellphone is daw ba? Saan ka na dyan mag-charge? Yun o. My name is Suwana. My name is Suwana.
it should like
My name is Suwana. I don't like the
makeup
the-
now. Let's make up.
Okay, she don't have like her phone, so we're just gonna do makeup. Cute me.
I don't have.
I'm gonna
No. Ikaw muna. Ako din. Meron din ako binigay sa'yo ito.
Ay, teka lang, first is yung mga makeup muna.
First
Gusto ako.
blush.
Blush. First is blush. Gusto ko yung blush na ganito, guys. Ayoko ng mga ganyang blush. Gusto ko liquid blush.
Ano ba yung English niyan?
Liquid blush. Ayoko kasi ng mga... Ay, napababa. Bumaba siya, guys. Ano ba? My name is Suwana.
Parang si sasabihin.
Uy, ba't mo sinobrahan? That looks good. That looks good. Ay, tago mo.
Ano yung mga...
Hi, Tita! Baby.
This is
Ah, may makeup. No makeup!
Ito na nga.
We're gonna do our cousin's makeup.
Oo nga, ano, sis?
Pwede ko siya mag-makeup. Pwede yan.
Open
it down. Okay, we're gonna do his makeup, right? Makeup, right? He wants a makeup as well.
This is straight. Time to go.
At this one. Okay, you want this one? Okay. Wait! You want this one or this one?
Ay, ito.
Ito na lang. You want this one or this one?
This one.
Wag! This one? Wag yan! Pahanda yan. Ito na lang.
Okay, see. Ano yun, te?
Tigilan yung startup niyan.
Mag-makeup na ako.
Hindi.
Makeup na ako.
Ah.
At kakawila nila si?
I think up nga mother.
Meron ng matcha.
Eh, di party boy. Diba?
Sige talaga.
Bakla. Not this one. Okay, wait. I'll get this one. Wait.